Miss Laurel, pinagmalaki niya ang Donbell na sobrang down to earth at napakabait. Dahil nakasama niya sa music video na ginawa niyang kanta na Ligaw na Bullet. Sa harap mismo ni Miss Denise ay napaka-sweet na dumadaan ng dalawa. May pahawak pa ng kamay na parang hahalikan ni Donnie si Belle. At ito naman ang naging reaksyon ni Miss Denise habang pinapanood ang dalawa. Siyempre, kikiligan ka talaga pag sa harap mo na nagawa ng Donbell ang kanilang sweet moments. At ito nga ang kanyang naging pahayag.
Shoot! And I was like, can I have like a few minutes of your time? And they were so sweet. They stopped their cars. We met up. We shot in a driveway. Right. We took 15 minutes. And then, so kilig. They were so sweet. Talagang, I rushed. We shot that in like 15, 20 minutes. And I was like, you guys, thank you so much. Alam ko sobrang busy. And they're like, no, not at all, ate. Don't worry about it. Sweet kids. Sweet na lang. You guys stand the right people.
Marami talagang artista na napapasabi na nasa tamang fandom tayo. Dahil kahit sikat ang dalawa ay talagang kinikilala at ginagalang nila ang kanilang mga kasamang artista.